Good morning. Let's go to the beach today. We're gonna watch fireworks. Yay.
Cause then I was gonna.
Hi.
No, I'm still talking.
Give me my hat back.
Yes.
Oh, I love you. Andy, where's my money?
What money?
Where's Cindy's money?
No money.
Billy.
All her money.
This
Chocolate
Billy
raisins.
and his candy obsession.
Yeah.
Glasses?
Yeah, you like him, right? Okay.
I like glasses.
He's good. Alright, let's go.
Oh
What
my
I get
god.
at the theaters now.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit. Sick.
Let's go cheap, guys.
With you.
I've been there.
I know, right? Not enough,
been
bro.
there.
Not enough.
Oh, this Derek.
Also got a Candyland.
You guys want
You didn't realize if you told him not enough, he was.
Yeah, we're like the two biggest candy
Well, I like candy too, but
whores. Yeah.
I like candy, but I don't buy it here.
exactly. And we are back here.
English down.
The
So
rose song again.
Just one. Just one.
But this one has more rosón though.
Oh, but that one's like custard inside.
Oh, really?
Yes. Yeah, get on my level.
Just watch. Cindy's gonna use the whole battery green.
Hey,
It's okay, man. She bought extra 2 batteries. Charged it at home beforehand. It's like, ow, you know what you
No, I
said?
have 2 bars
It's like, Daddy, I
left.
miss Nexus. I'm gonna bring my laptop and use my cell phone to tether me to the internet. Are you fucking serious? That out, man. He was like, Daddy, should I do?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Did you take me? Yeah, I did. Oh yeah. Yeah? No! Oh, Inception. Oh.
Guys.
Alright, where should we set up camp?
Mine is.
Floral style.
I had that towel at home.
Whose water is
I was
that?
like, why are these random stuff?
If we lose
What are
something,
you
we all
thinking?
lose it together.
Oh, are we doing theirs again?
No. Yes.
Aww.
Now, shirt off.
Yeah, that's our mission, to get out. Get
Guys,
his
please. I don't want to see those nipples ever again.
Whoa.
Our mission is to get.
Mission he did
Well,
last
you know what
year.
you do? You make Billy lose to him in Boardwalk.
Huh?
Remember when you lost to Al in Boardwalk? He took his shirt off at your house. It's like that game where I had Boardwalk and that's all you wanted.
Hey, you made me lose.
You still lost the game. Still lost. Not everybody can be a winner, Cindy.
And I remember I was the one who wanted to play Monopoly too.
You got shot on. And did you have fun?
I had fun.
It's 6:30 and the sun finally
There's
came
one
out.
winner. There's no point continuing this until like.
We have to wait 3.5 more hours.
Sky.
Well, you know what I did
Why they're
see?
so
Gerard
nice?
Roofing.
Gerard Roofing. Is it still? Oh, it's still here.
Still going.
Oh my god, that sun. It's like facing. Oh
Sorry,
my god.
bro.
Get out. Going again.
I was just amused that it looked like wings.
Like, it goes so high. Whoa.
Which one is it?
Oh.
Alright. Them peoples.
Them people.
You can play with them.
2 more hours to go.
Back up. Oh.
And my plane's not gonna be that fun.
If it was that fun, then
I'd be dead. Man, I wonder if he doesn't get busy or anything like for that long.
I know, with turbulence too.
Cindy, did you bring your camera just to miss such an amazing air show? Did you see the part where you crashed and burned?
No, because it didn't happen.
Damn, right?
Oh, man, 1.5 more hours. Let's go.
I don't like Wolf. Wolf is retarded. Yeah, retarded.
It was SISTTAR.
Sister.
Baby, stop breaking my heart.
Oh
You
no.
heard me.
No more next time.
I got them.
I hope you got that, boy. Later.
I forgot.
No, focus.
I feel like they should have went with a bang first.
Yeah, me too, me too.
Yo, you gotta do some foreplay first.
Gotta ease him into it.
Gotta satisfy this.
actually hear-
If they play the Batman song,
That was it, yeah.
Dun.
Oh.
The Dark Knight Rises once again. It's like a boom Batman sign. 8.
It's a slow start.
Very
That's
slow
7.
start, yeah.
Oh, color. Oh, there we go.
Ow.
What?
He was just recording.
Seconds of nothing.
Of nothing.
You know you can pause it, right? Oh. I'm sure they'll sound like Jack Daniels. Wow, I haven't watched Epic Meal Time for like. Oh, that one's huge.
Oh, my butt hurts.
That was insane in the membrane.
And now it's time to clean. Oh my god.
I need to Instagram
Cindy
this.
likes girls.
Huh?
Cindy likes girls.
Get out. Oh no, I can't even see you.
Oh, who could I be?
Okay, so my battery camera just died. But anyways, it is Sunday at almost 6 p.m. Well, 6 p.m. is when the registration opens. And oh my gosh, Lillian and I are freaking out because it says these two courses are full. So then we're like, what? Maybe this is not how we register for language courses. But I don't know. Well, at least all of my other courses are like 신청하는, because if they were full, I'd be like swearing right now. But yeah, like why? It's not even open yet. I don't know, maybe this is not how language courses work. It probably isn't. I might update you. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna register for my econ and business courses first and figure out language later, because that's like elective. So there's a lot of people online right now, because if you press registration, it says 고객님 앞에 and then the number 면에 대기자가 있습니다, which means like there's these many people waiting ahead of you, and like it's telling you to wait. So yeah, there's a lot of people online right now, and that's bad, because I thought that, you know, this is the first year I think they're doing online courses. I don't know, because usually you have to go in person for exchange students, and like I don't know, I thought like, you know, maybe perhaps we'd get lucky and people didn't know what to do and then we would figure everything out before them, but apparently not, because there's so many people online right now. Alright, so quick update. It is 6:13 right now, and finally I got into every course that I wanted, and you kind of see it here. So I registered for 18 credits, and yeah, this is my timetable. It kind of sucks. Yeah, look at that ginormous time gap in the middle. Like I don't know what I'm gonna do during that time. But I mean, 6 courses in one term is kind of a really heavy load for me for exchange, because I do want to go and play and explore, right? So I'm definitely probably gonna drop at least 1 course. I don't know if I'm gonna drop 2, because that's a little too much, but I might drop 1 and make it 5 courses per semester. But okay. Lillian is like messaging me like crazy, so I'll be back.